When you search for must-have travel essentials, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1. Kleenex On-the-Go Tissues. We have the Kleenex On-the-Go Facial Tissues. These come in a pack of 8 with 10 tissues each, priced at just $2.48. What caught my eye is their ultra-soft, absorbent quality, perfect for life's little messes. If you want to stay prepared during your travels, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These tissues are not just any ordinary tissues. They are made with Clean Shield technology that keeps the mess contained, which is a lifesaver if you have allergies or find yourself sneezing unexpectedly. Plus, at 80 tissues total, you get ample supply without taking up much space in your bag. And with over 80,000 units sold in just the last month, people clearly trust them. Now, some people complained about the packaging, saying it varied and sometimes didn't match their travel aesthetic. Here's the thing though, while style is nice, the primary function is to have tissues handy when you need them most, and they deliver on that front. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself on the go and need a reliable tissue option. Skip this one if you're someone who prefers using handkerchiefs or isn't a fan of disposable products. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you're concerned about how to stay cool while traveling, this next product might be just what you need.
Product number 2. A Coolie Slim Portable Fan. The Coolie Slim Portable Fan, priced at $9.99. When I saw its sleek design, I knew it would appeal to anyone wanting a compact cooling solution. If you want to beat the heat while on the move, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This fan boasts a maximum battery life of 24 hours on a single charge. Imagine being at a theme park during summer and you can enjoy that refreshing breeze all day without worrying about finding a power outlet. Plus, it offers 3 speed settings, allowing you to customize your cooling experience from a gentle breeze to a powerful gust. And with a design that fits in your pocket or purse, it's the ultimate travel companion. It's already gained popularity with over 40,000 units sold recently. Now, some reviews mention that it's not the most powerful fan available. I'll be real with you. While it won't blow you away like some larger fans, it's perfect for personal use and won't take up much space in your bag. This is a must-have if you're traveling to warmer regions or you just want a personal fan for your workspace. Skip this one if you need something to cool a large area quickly. For the price, it's a great way to stay comfortable. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping yourself fresh during your travels.
Product number 3. Q-Tips Travel Pack. The Q-Tip Swabs Travel Pack, which you can snag for just $1.49. This compact pack is a real gem for maintaining your hygiene while you're on the road. If you want a versatile tool for your travel kit, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. These cotton swabs are not just for cleaning ears. You can use them for applying acne medication, or even for delicate cleaning tasks in tight spots, like around faucets or tile grout. They're small and easy to carry, making them a great addition to your travel essentials. With over 40,000 units sold, it's clear many travelers see their value. Now, some users pointed out that they wish there were more swabs per pack. Here's the thing though, for the price and portability, it's hard to beat the convenience they offer, especially when you need them in a pinch. This is perfect for you if you like to keep things tidy and organized while traveling. Skip this one if you don't find cotton swabs useful in your daily routine. For under $2, it's a small investment for added convenience. Now, if you're looking to stay well-groomed on your travels, you'll want to hear about this next product.
Product number 4. Schick Intuition Go Razor. We have the Schick Intuition Go disposable razor, which retails for $5.97. What caught my attention here is the built-in moisturizing bar that lets you lather and shave in one step. If you want a hassle-free shaving option while traveling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This razor has a curve-following design with 4 blades that adapt to your body's contours, ensuring a close shave without the need for shave gel. It's perfect for those quick touch-ups during your trips. Plus, it's designed for sensitive skin, which is great if you're prone to nicks and cuts. With 30,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among travelers. Now, some reviews mention that the blade dulls quicker than expected. Here's the thing. While it might not last as long as a high-end razor, the convenience and compact design make it a fantastic option for travel. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need a reliable razor. Skip this one if you prefer using high-quality multi-use razors at home. For its price, it's a practical travel solution. Now, if you're tired of dealing with shampoo leaks in your luggage, the next product is all about preventing that.
Product number 5, travel bottles set. We have the 18-pack travel bottles for toiletries, priced at $9.98. This set caught my eye because it includes everything you need for your liquids while traveling. If you want to keep your toiletries organized and leak-proof, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. These bottles are TSA approved and designed with a leak-proof system to prevent any spills during your travels. They come with various sizes for different products, from lotions to shampoo, making it easy to customize your packing. With around 20,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many travelers trust these for their journeys. Now, some users expressed concerns about the size of the bottles, feeling they were too small for longer trips. Here's the thing. While they may seem small, they are perfect for short trips or carry-on luggage, and you can always refill for your next adventure. This is perfect for you if you like to plan ahead and keep your toiletries tidy. Skip this one if you need larger containers for extended travels. For the price, it's an excellent deal for travel-savvy individuals.
So, to quickly recap, we kicked things off with the reliable Kleenex tissues, then cooled off with the A-Coolie portable fan. Next, we had the versatile Q-tips for those travel hygiene needs, followed by the convenient Schick Intuition razor for easy grooming. Finally, we wrapped up with the TSA-approved travel bottle set to keep your liquids secure. Each of these products addresses specific travel needs, making your journey smoother. Happy travels!